A rapid build house only takes 20 weeks from start to finish.
This project is very unique. It's unique because we're working together very closely with the builder to develop a system that will respond very sensitively to the site.
My initial aim was to develop a building system that was really easy and that you could get to site, you could assess what the site was, you could come up with a design that was solar passive, which created houses that were light, bright, really nice to live in. The only difference is that it's pre-fabricated off-site. All the structure is pre-cut and then assembled on site and then lifted into place with a crane in one day.
This building process offers many opportunities, which typically other building methods don't. And I think the major opportunity that it affords is that it's made up of a kit of parts that can be adapted for each site according to the orientation, the landform and the planning of the building.
With this system, the cost savings start from the very first day that you look at the site, because our design system that the architects work within allows them to very quickly work through an architectural solution using one drawing process, so you don't end up having to go to all these different consultants because it's all tied together in one package of drawings.
With the rapid build and Sean's system brings everything together, standardises, but then allows for adaptability and flexibility for that system on any particular given site. And so it's the best of both worlds, where you can get an architecturally designed sustainable house, customised to your site in a very cost-efficient manner.
We've worked with the engineers over many years, coming up with solutions that can be adapted to any site and any configuration of the modular housing system. It's all there, it's already worked out, and we just pull in the bits that we need for that specific site.
It's kind of the holy grail in some regards of building information modelling, or BIM, where one person creates a model and everyone works off that one model. The rapid build one is taking it a step further and putting a fabrication model together as well.
With Sean's jobs, we get a complete whole house solution. We get the design files sent to us on a Monday and we can have the job cut and on site by the end of the week.
So the speed that saw cuts at is it's phenomenally quick. It can spin around full 360 degrees and then it can go horizontally for slotting. You couldn't even compare it to how quickly carpenters work on site. You could have 10 carpenters and they wouldn't be working as quick as that saw. We're all here today for a concrete pour. There's only one pour on this job. That's the beauty about the rapid build system, is you get all the concrete in one hit. We spend 4 weeks forming up and preparing for the concreters, and then they're in and out in half a day.
I have been blown away. I could never have imagined that such a complex structure could be built with such steady progress. I mean, next week the crane arrives. It's just going to be extraordinary to see it just fitting together like Lego.
This is modular building at its best. This is our day of assembly and we've got all our bearers in the right spot and it's going well so far.
Using this methodology allows the project to advance at a rapid speed. Installation of floor cassettes means we can have a floor down in hours rather than days. We can have wall cassettes with structural framing elements in hours. Roof cassettes, a roof that might be complex, that can be installed in hours.
To only being able to stand on the rock, and then in 2 days there's a floor and walls and then the roof. I mean, it was extraordinary.
We're just about to arrive on site. I'm really looking forward to seeing Jane and Anthony today, handing over the keys.
Well, the construction is modular, but that was based on the design being modular.
Every site that we build on is unique. I think that this sort of building has enough flexibility to be able to adapt to whatever circumstances given before it.
It's one of the last times I'm going to be here on site, which is a bit disappointing actually, because I've really enjoyed this job. It's been 20 weeks and I think we've come up with a really good product.